If I had to start over in a new city tomorrow, I would definitely go to Florida.
Yes.
I've always loved it from the time I was a wee lad
Yes.
to present. And I would pick, man, there's so many good places.
You
I
gotta
would pick probably the one that's always been on my list is the Tampa St. Pete area. We honeymooned there and we've been back several times. And we just love the Gulf Coast over there in that part of Florida. It's like an hour, just over an hour to Disney and Orlando and all that stuff.
That's
too.
nice,
It's
yeah.
on the water. So I would pick like the Tampa St. Pete metro area.
And it's 106 degrees in the shade.
Bring it on. I love it.
My answer is Pentwater, Michigan, brother. Pentwater,
Really?
Michigan. Yes, the appeal of those little small towns all along Lake Michigan.
Yeah.
Wonderful. First of all,
Yes.
beautiful climate, beautiful experience. I don't care about the winter, that's fine. I had a group of friends, brother. We vacationed there a few times, and we
Yes.
had a plan and a plot to say we're all going to move here. We're going to take this town over. So one of us will be the mayor, another will be a judge, another, and one's going to be like a general store owner.
Yep.
Like we are going to run Pentwater, Michigan. So that's my master plan, brother, is to take over Pentwater, Michigan.
I
because
like
I
it.
love it there. Real estate prices.
Yep. And for me, plenty of sunshine. That's
Mm-hmm.
I get the most sad during Indiana winters when it's just gray weeks on end.
Yes, true.
And cold on top of that. So it's got to be warm. There's got to be plenty of sunshine, and because I like to be outdoors, so outdoor activities, which in Florida, like
They abound.
right.
Yeah, I'm gonna say for me, weather is one, which I just really love the mild summers of Michigan, and having Lake Michigan right there.
Yeah.
The other one I'm gonna say, which maybe would make me like, I need the presence of community theater groups because I've been doing
That's
more
true.
community theater. I don't know if Pentwater has a thriving community theater scene.
Yeah. Well, maybe that'll be your role there, though. If somebody's the mayor, somebody's the chief of police, and you start the theater.
I'll start the theater group. I love that. I mean, for me, it's got to be a complete reinvention. Otherwise, why am I moving? Why am I moving away from beloved family and everything we know? Well, because I'm recreating everything. I'm gonna go somewhere else and do something totally different.
Okay.
How about you?
I think I would probably tend to recreate the life I have there for the most part. I'd probably change jobs, like just do something.
Do something else.
Yeah.
The difference between this little game is that I'm just pretending this is going to happen, but you really will move to Florida one day.
I sure hope so.
Yeah.